Hey you, Anastasia Hale here with Serenity Grace Jewelry. Have you ever thought about what we talk about with trees? We never say, oh, that tree is getting older. Well, I mean, maybe you do, but not very often. We usually say, wow, that tree is growing. And look at it grow. Wow, it really has grown. So if you are growing in years and age, what if you stop saying, oh, I'm getting older, and you say, hey, I'm still growing. And it kind of changes the way you feel about things. It puts a different perspective on things. And if you can change your perspective on getting older, maybe it won't have such a negative connotation about it. It won't be, oh, I'm getting older and my knees hurt and all these things. They could happen, but you say, oh, I'm growing. So maybe it's just growing pains. I hope this helps you today.